In today's video, I will show you an easy way to remove the green screen on the Davinci Resolve edit page. First, import your videos into the edit page media pool. Next, add your primary clip to the timeline. Now, place the playhead where you want the green screen to be. Next, add your green screen video above the primary video. Now, adjust the playhead where all the contents are visible. Next, go to Effects and then select Open Effects. Now, go to the search bar and search for 3D keyer. Next, drag and drop the 3D keyer effect on the green screen video. Next, click on this drop-down arrow and select Open Effects Overlay. Now, go to the inspector window and select the picker. Next, select the color that you want to key. Now, if you look closely, there is a green spill around the content. To remove the spill, go to the inspector window. Now, select the option Flat. Next, adjust the D-Spill slider to remove the spill. So, here is the final result.